Hey everybody, Brian Carson here. Wanted to talk to you a little bit about a real estate topic, which is chattels versus fixtures. Chattel is something within the real estate property itself that if you could pick the house up, turn it upside down, shake it, chattels fall out. They drop out of the house. They're assets in the home that are not affixed or are easily removed from the property. So common chattels of a real estate deal would be things like the appliances, fridge, stove, washer, dryer, microwave. A fixture, on the other hand, is something that is, as the name suggests, affixed and is much more difficult to remove from the home without there being quite a bit of effort or strain put on the actual item coming out of the property. And so this is where the law around what is a chattel, what is a fixture, gets a little bit gray and murky. The TV, a chattel or fixture. Is the bracket the TV sits on a chattel or a fixture? Is the wall mount holding the bracket and the TV a chattel or a fixture? So that's a common gray area that people dispute, and the lawyers often have to take on the persona of their clients to try to advocate the position the client wants, chattel or fixture. Another common one would be wall-mounted mirrors and light fixtures that are more expensive or of a sentimental value. So why do you even care? Why does this even matter? So the principle at law is a chattel, unless it's included within the terms of the agreement of a purchase and sale, is excluded from the purchase price, and thus the seller can remove them and take them with them as the sale is completed. On the flip side, a fixture is included, deemed to be included in the purchase price, unless it is written into the agreement of purchase and sale as an excluded item to the purchase and sale. So which bucket does your item be part of the purchase and sale price? The easy tip here is write it into the agreement. When in doubt, make it a term of the agreement. So if you're buying a home, go through the home and take an inventory of each room and say, my expectation is this TV, wall mount, bracket, etc. should all be included in the deal. All the kitchen appliances, the laundry room appliances, the mirrors in the en-suites, all should be included. Write it in. Make them terms of the deal if you expect that your purchase price is to include those being part of the deal. And then you don't even have to worry about what I talked about, chattel versus fixture, because it's very clear and they're terms of your deal. All the best. Take care.